Fennel seeds come from the fennel plant, scientifically known as Funiculum vulgare. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. They've been used for centuries in various cultures for their medicinal properties. Let's explore 10 reasons fennel seeds are so special and ways you can use them to improve your health. But first, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to iHeartHealth, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. On this channel, we dive into the latest health tips, delicious recipes, fitness routines, and natural remedies that make living well easy and fun. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve your diet, or find balance in your life, we've got you covered. So if you love your health as much as we do, hit that subscribe button and join the iHeartHealth community. Let's embark on this journey to wellness together. 1. Digestive health benefits. Fennel seeds are famous for their digestive benefits. They contain anethole, a compound that helps relax the gastrointestinal tract, reducing bloating, gas, and indigestion. Here are some tips to help. Tip 1. Chewing fennel seeds after meals. Another great tip is to chew fennel seeds directly after meals. Just half a teaspoon of fennel seeds can help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, making your digestion smoother and reducing the chances of bloating and gas. Tip 2. Fennel seed powder. You can also use fennel seed powder. Grind fennel seeds into a fine powder and sprinkle it on your dishes. This is particularly useful if you want to add a subtle flavor to your meals while still reaping the digestive benefits. Tip 3. Fennel seed oil. Fennel seed oil is another fantastic option. Just a drop or two added to warm water can act as a potent digestive aid. Remember to use food-grade fennel oil and consult with a healthcare provider before adding essential oils to your diet. 2. Antioxidant properties. Fennel seeds are rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress can lead to chronic diseases and aging. By incorporating fennel seeds into your diet, you're giving your body a boost of these powerful antioxidants. Here are some tips to help. Tip 1. Fennel seed infused water. One easy way to get a daily dose of antioxidants is by making fennel seed infused water. Simply add a teaspoon of fennel seeds to a jar of water and let it sit overnight. Drink this refreshing water throughout the day to stay hydrated and boost your antioxidant intake. Tip 2. Fennel seed yogurt. For a delicious and antioxidant-rich snack, mix fennel seeds into your yogurt. This combination not only enhances the flavor, but also provides a healthy dose of probiotics and antioxidants, promoting both gut health and overall well-being. Tip 3. Fennel seed spice blend. Create a homemade spice blend with ground fennel seeds, turmeric, and cumin. This blend is packed with antioxidants and can be used to season a variety of dishes, from roasted vegetables to grilled meats. It's a simple way to incorporate more antioxidants into your diet. 3. Hormonal balance. Ladies, listen up. Fennel seeds can be particularly beneficial for hormonal balance. They contain phytoestrogens, which are plant-based compounds that mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. This can help alleviate symptoms of menopause and menstruation. Here are some tips to help. Tip 1. Fennel seed tea for menstrual relief. Fennel seed tea can be particularly helpful for menstrual relief. Steep a teaspoon of fennel seeds in hot water for 10 minutes. Then drink this tea 2 to 3 times a day during your menstrual cycle. It can help reduce cramps and ease discomfort. Tip 2. Fennel seed smoothie. For a hormone balancing smoothie, blend a teaspoon of fennel seeds with a cup of almond milk, a banana, and a handful of spinach. This smoothie is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support hormonal health. Tip 3. Fennel seed bath soak. A fennel seed bath soak can help relax your body and mind, promoting hormonal balance. Add a handful of fennel seeds to a muslin bag and place it in your bathwater. Soak for 20-30 minutes to enjoy the soothing effects and help your body balance its hormones naturally. 4. Respiratory health. Fennel seeds can also support your respiratory health. They have expectorant properties, which means they help loosen and expel mucus from the respiratory tract. This can be especially helpful during cold and flu season. Here are some tips to help. Tip 1. Fennel seed and honey syrup. You can make a simple fennel seed and honey syrup to soothe a sore throat and reduce coughing. Boil a tablespoon of fennel seeds in a cup of water until it reduces by half, then strain and mix the liquid with an equal amount of honey. Take a teaspoon of this syrup as needed. Tip 2. Fennel seed herbal tea blend. Create a respiratory health tea blend by combining fennel seeds with other herbs like thyme, licorice root, and peppermint. This blend can help open up the airways, reduce inflammation, and ease breathing. Steep a teaspoon of this blend in hot water and enjoy it up to 3 times a day. Tip 3. Fennel seed gargle. For a quick relief from a sore throat, you can use a fennel seed gargle. Boil a teaspoon of fennel seeds in a cup of water, let it cool slightly, then use the liquid to gargle. This helps to reduce throat inflammation and kill bacteria. 5. Weight management. If you're on a weight loss journey, fennel seeds might become your new best friend. They help suppress appetite, improve metabolism, and reduce water retention, making them a great addition to your weight management plan. Here are some tips to help. Tip 1. Fennel seed and lemon detox drink. Combine the benefits of fennel seeds with lemon for a powerful detox drink. Add a teaspoon of fennel seeds and the juice of half a lemon to a glass of warm water. Drink this mixture on an empty stomach in the morning to boost your metabolism and promote weight loss. Tip 2. Fennel seed smoothie booster. Boost your smoothies with fennel seeds. Add a teaspoon of fennel seeds to your favorite green smoothie recipe. The fiber in fennel seeds will help keep you full longer, reduce cravings, and support your digestive health. Tip 3. Fennel seed snack. For a healthy and satisfying snack, try roasted fennel seeds. Dry roast a handful of fennel seeds in a pan until they're golden brown. Store them in an airtight container and snack on a small amount when you feel hungry between meals. This can help curb your appetite and prevent overeating. 6. Skin and hair health. Did you know that fennel seeds can also enhance your skin and hair health? They contain essential nutrients like vitamin C, calcium, and iron, which are vital for maintaining healthy skin and hair. Here are some tips. Tip 1. Fennel seed hair rinse. For strong and shiny hair, try a fennel seed hair rinse. Boil 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds in 2 cups of water. Let it cool, strain, and use the liquid as a final rinse after shampooing. This can help strengthen your hair, reduce dandruff, and add a natural shine. Tip 2. Fennel seed toner. You can also make a fennel seed toner for clear and toned skin. Boil a tablespoon of fennel seeds in a cup of water for 10 minutes. Strain the liquid, let it cool, and pour it into a spray bottle. Use this toner after cleansing your face to tighten pores and refresh your skin. Tip 3. Fennel seed infused oil. Fennel seed infused oil is great for both skin and hair. Infuse fennel seeds in a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil by heating them together on low heat for about 30 minutes. Strain the seeds out and use the oil as a moisturizer for your skin or as a scalp treatment to nourish your hair. 7. Cardiovascular health. Fennel seeds are also beneficial for your heart. They contain fiber, potassium, and magnesium, which help regulate blood pressure and support cardiovascular health. Here are some tips. Tip 1. Fennel seed tea for heart health. Drinking fennel seed tea regularly can help support heart health. Steep a teaspoon of fennel seeds in hot water for 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. This tea can help improve blood circulation and reduce cholesterol levels. Tip 2. Fennel seed and garlic mix. Combine fennel seeds with garlic for a powerful heart-healthy mix. Both ingredients have cardiovascular benefits. You can crush a few fennel seeds and mix them with a clove of minced garlic. Add this mix to your meals to help lower blood pressure and improve heart health. Tip 3. Fennel seed oatmeal. Start your day with a heart-healthy breakfast by adding fennel seeds to your oatmeal. Cook your oatmeal as usual and stir in a teaspoon of ground fennel seeds. This will not only add a unique flavor, but also provide fiber and nutrients that support cardiovascular health. 8. Immune system boost. Last but not least, fennel seeds can give your immune system a much-needed boost. They're packed with vitamin C and other antioxidants that help strengthen your immune response. Here are some tips. Tip 1. Fennel seed honey elixir. Make a fennel seed honey elixir to boost your immunity. Boil a teaspoon of fennel seeds in a cup of water for 10 minutes. Strain, let it cool, and mix it with a tablespoon of honey. Take a spoonful of this elixir daily to enhance your immune defenses. Tip 2. Fennel seed and ginger tea. Combine fennel seeds with ginger for a powerful immune-boosting tea. Boil a teaspoon of fennel seeds and a small piece of ginger in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink this tea regularly to help ward off colds and infections. Tip 3. Fennel seed salad dressing. Create an immune-boosting salad dressing by mixing ground fennel seeds with olive oil, lemon juice, and a bit of honey. Drizzle this dressing over your favorite salad greens to add a nutritious and flavorful boost to your meals, supporting overall immune health. 9. Tips for incorporating fennel seeds into your diet. Now that you know the benefits, here are some practical tips to incorporate fennel seeds into your daily diet. Spice blends. Add ground fennel seeds to your favorite spice blends for a unique flavor. Baking. Mix fennel seeds into bread dough or sprinkle them on top of your favorite baked goods. Smoothies. Add a teaspoon of fennel seeds to your smoothies for an extra nutrient boost. Snacks. Roast fennel seeds with a pinch of salt for a healthy and tasty snack. Soups and stews. Add whole fennel seeds to soups and stews for a hint of sweetness and flavor. 10. Mental health and cognitive function. Did you know that fennel seeds can also benefit your mental health and cognitive function? These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients that support brain health, improve memory, and reduce stress. Here are some tips to help. Tip 1. Fennel seed tea for relaxation. Fennel seed tea is not only good for digestion, but also for relaxation. Steep a teaspoon of fennel seeds in hot water for 10 minutes and drink it before bedtime. The natural calming properties of fennel can help reduce anxiety and promote a restful sleep. Tip 2. Fennel seed and walnut snack. For a brain-boosting snack, mix fennel seeds with walnuts. Both are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which are essential for cognitive function and memory. Enjoy this mix as a healthy snack during your day. Tip 3. Fennel seed essential oil for aromatherapy. Use fennel seed essential oil in aromatherapy to enhance your mood and mental clarity. Add a few drops of fennel seed essential oil to your diffuser and let the soothing aroma fill your space. This can help reduce stress and improve focus, making it a great addition to your daily routine. There you have it, folks! Fennel seeds are a versatile and powerful addition to your diet with numerous health benefits. Whether you're looking to improve digestion, balance hormones, support respiratory health, manage weight, enhance your skin and hair, protect your heart, or boost your immune system, fennel seeds have got you covered. Experiment with these ideas and find what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, iHeartHealth, for more health tips and recipes. Also, let us know in the comments how you like to use fennel seeds in your daily routine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start incorporating fennel seeds into your diet today and experience their amazing benefits for yourself. Stay healthy and happy.